When I first started my journey back to myself, it was nature and animals that helped ignite that remembrance in me. I remember particularly about 6 years ago, I started to become aware of how there's life in everything, how animals have a consciousness and that they aren't just beings with no depth in them. I started to learn about telepathic communication and how animals communicate that way through feeling, energy, and visuals, and how it's also the universal way to communicate. And from then on, everything unfolded like a ripple effect. Everything was so fascinating to me, just as it still is now, how there is energy in everything and how it's all connected. Noticing the textures, the colors, the life in everything, and discovering how grounding it is to hug and connect with a tree, the trees being deeply rooted and having a whole ecosystem underground, where all the roots of the trees are connected in the forest. It's like a baby discovering everything for the first time. Whenever I reflect back on this time in my life, I feel so much gratitude in how it started in such a pure, innocent state. I just love how nature always reminds us and reflects to us how simple life really is. You know, with the vastness of the universe, the vastness of our soul, we get to be here now and embody that vastness on earth and live the human experience. It's like sometimes it's easy to think like we have to search outside of ourselves to reach that connection with ourselves and reach that connection with Source. But in essence, it's always within us, and it has always been within us. Like, there's no one truth, there's no one way that fits it all. And the truth is forever evolving too. You know, like with all these practices and beliefs, they don't truly matter if there's no embodiment in it. It's like being able to do it without having that subconscious performative aspect of it, to be able to discern what connects to you and what's aligned for you and your truth. Because there's nothing that fits for everyone. There's not one thing that fits for everyone. It's like being able to connect with what truly aligns for you and to embody it fully.
Open my eyes.
It's like she knows to go to you. Yeah. Look at Momo.
Oh my goodness. Look at you.
Nature has always been one of my biggest teachers here on earth. It taught me to just be, to be present with everything around me, how there's beauty in everything. It reminds us of the root purpose of our experience on earth. To feel, to live, to be present with all the simplest things, the simplest joys. Helping us root deeply onto earth as we continue expanding our consciousness.